Is your portfolio future ready? Do you have stocks or businesses that may be small today but have the potential to be big tomorrow? If not, then consider the Kotak Emerging Equity Fund. It invests in the mid-cap companies that are either at their nascent or developing stage and are under-researched. Although relatively volatile in the short run, mid-cap companies have the potential or may have the potential to deliver higher growth in the long term. The fund looks for companies that are poised for rapid growth, whether in technology, renewable energy, consumer goods, or any other emerging sector that has the potential to boom. The fund follows a bottom-up approach to stock selection using the business, management, and valuation model. This means companies with sound business models, opportunity size and growth visibility, low leverage, decent return ratios and cash flows, and competent management with an eye on valuations. So, should you invest in the Kotak Emerging Equity Fund? Well, if you're someone who believes in the future growth of emerging sectors in India and is comfortable with some volatility, then this fund may be a way to tap into that growth potential. To wrap it up, the Kotak Emerging Equity Fund offers an exciting opportunity to invest in India's high growth sectors. But it's important to understand both the potential for high growth in the long term and the risks involved. Do you have questions or thoughts about the Kotak Emerging Equity Fund? Drop them in the comments below.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.